Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration for order number 816267. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the NZXT Phantom Red. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Corsair Hydro H100i liquid cooling unit. That is cooling an Intel Core i7 4790K processor. Beside that, you have 32 GB of G.Skill Ripjaws 1600 MHz RAM. For your graphics card, you selected the Nvidia Geforce GTX 980. For wire management in the system, you selected individually sleeved white cables. And for lighting, you selected dual UV cold cathodes. All your components have been installed on an ASUS Maximus 7 Hero motherboard. Powering your system is a Corsair RM850 power supply, and for storage you selected a Samsung 840 Pro Series 128GB SSD, along with a secondary 2TB hard drive. Taking a look at the front of your computer, you'll see your DVD writer. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have two USB 2.0 ports, PS2, HDMI, optical out, DVI and VGA, your USB BIOS flashback button, 4 USB 3.0 ports, Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. Below that we have the ports for your graphics card. You have 3 display and 1 HDMI and a DVI port. Now when plugging in your monitor, you do not want to use the ports on your motherboard, you want to use the ports on your graphics card below. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In File Explorer, your 128GB SSD along with your secondary 2TB hard drive. In System Properties, your Intel Core i7 4790K processor, 32GB of RAM and Windows 7 Professional as your operating system, and in Device Manager, your Nvidia Geforce GTX 980 graphics card. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley, and it's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com.